Hi everyone, and welcome to another session of reading. Today's learning intention is to understand the features of application writing. So hopefully all of you have already completed the 5-minute pre-task where you have brainstormed the different features or elements found in persuasive writing. It's really important that you do this as it's going to trigger your memory and take you back to term 1 when we learned about persuasive writing. So we know that application writing is an example of a persuasive text. Okay, so we're going to essentially focus this session on seeing which strategies transfer from persuasive writing into application writing. Okay, so I did a bit of a brainstorm myself. Okay, have a look at these strategies. Feel free to add any to your brainstorm in case you missed out on some. Persuasive text strategies. We use the TEAL structure. So that's topic sentence, explain, example, and linking sentence. We usually have a call to action where we encourage the reader to do something. We have a lot of rhetorical questions. So these are questions that don't need an answer. And then we use a lot of aphors. So alliteration, facts, opinion, repetition, exaggeration, statistics, and triples. Again, if you don't remember what some of these are, I encourage you to research them before you go ahead with this task, as it's important for you to have the persuasive strategies in your mind as you do this. So I'm going to read through this one paragraph and I'm going to talk you through the different persuasive strategies used. Leadership is a very big responsibility, for you need to be on task and never give up, and I strongly believe I have these qualities. So in this sentence, we can see teal, we can see the topic sentence. So we know that this paragraph is now going to be about what this person believes leadership to be. Being a leader doesn't always mean that you have to be an academic learner. You also have to be educated as a whole child and understand others. Here we can see the rule of triples, or it's also known as the power of 3. It's where you give 3 examples in your writing. So here we have academic learner, educated as a whole child, and understanding others. Obviously, this is also example, part of the teal. I have been educated as a whole child. I'm passionate about becoming a leader, for I include others' ideas and never leave anyone lying in the shadows. Okay, so we've got passionate, which is emotive language. So it's a positive emotive word. And I've just realized that I haven't actually included emotive language in my brainstorm, okay? So that's okay if you haven't included something in your brainstorm, but your mind becomes triggered during the learning task, then you can add things to your brainstorm. So I would add emotive language to mine. And then we have something that's interesting. It's not necessarily a persuasive strategy. I include others and never leave anyone lying in the shadows. Okay, so this is a metaphor, or it could also be a cliche. To leave someone lying in the shadows means you forgot about them or you forget about them. So it's really great to see that this author is using strategies from other types of text writing, and they have brought it into the persuasive structure. I have been in many activities too. I have been in a variety of activities such as podcasting, Code Club, VSSS, Junior and Senior Choir, North Region, Never Youth Concert, Twilight Sports, Chess Club, and basketball. just to name a few. I have shown the school qualities in the school as well. So here, in the very last sentence, I have shown the school qualities in the school as well. This is actually a linking sentence, so we can't see the next paragraph, but the next paragraph of this application is talking about the school values. So here the author has used a linking sentence to give us a glimpse of what they will be talking about in the next paragraph and also create that flow. So for your task, you're going to be doing exactly the same thing with another application where you're going to be reading through it and using your brainstorm. You're going to see what persuasive text strategies are used in application writing. Okay, and for a reflection, my wondering that I'd like you to also think about is, are there any persuasive strategies that are not included in application writing? And are there any strategies, writing strategies, which are included in application writing but not included in a typical persuasive text? Okay, so something to have a think about, and this will really set you up as you begin drafting your application letters. Good luck.